Do you find yourself in that why me syndrome? Why are terrible things happening to me? Why does this always happen for me? Well, here's what I want you to do when you find yourself stuck there. Number one, ask yourself, do I have too much time on my hands? Because people obsess about themselves when they are doing nothing and they have extra time. Number two, have you forgotten to count the blessings in your life? The things that are keeping you safe, alive, comfortable? Number three, have you found yourself complaining? That means we are not taking enough responsibility for ourselves. We often complain, blame, get into this whole trip of going to something that's outside of us, and we start complaining. And this is something we have to stop doing consciously. The fourth thing is, ask yourself, how are my energy levels? Because when we have low energy, we tend to get stuck with the negatives, the doubts, the self-blaming, all the negatives. So increase your energy levels to get out of that. So these are the 4 questions I want you to ask when you're stuck with that why me syndrome.